Hey guys, this is Fuzzbuzz. Welcome back to another new video. In this video, a part of the series Motorcycle Ride Highway and Motorcycle Ride Documentary, I'll be taking you across country from Antalya to Ankara. 560 kilometers long, all in one day. Come for the ride and enjoy the show. Adios.
You're the night sky, trying to make me see your stars. But the dark gets lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence. And the dark's all that I see when your stars above.
Good morning YouTube and YouTubers and everybody that loves Fuzzbuzz. There you go, there's the sign, Ankara it is. 500 kilometer road trip, or a big road trip. 500 kilometers long, going to the capital to see my one and only dad. It's going to be a solo trip. It's sunrise, it's 5:45 in the morning, and I have hit the roads. And you, my friends, are coming along for the journey. So you have just been buzzed by the fuzz. We're going to climb a few mountains, go on a long stretch of straight roads, so it's a bit of everything really. I've done this trip many times, not on the bike. I've done it via bus, via car, a few times, and this is going to be the first time on the bike. And there's the clock, it's 10 to 6, I bet you can see that. And we're just coming on the outskirts of Antalya, over those mountains there, and you're out of Antalya. It's going to be a 4-part series because it's too long to do all in one video. I'll do from here to Burdur, which is sort of the next big city, and then from Burdur to Afyon, and then Afyon to Polatlı, and then Polatlı to Ankara. This little stretch of road that I'm on now from Antalya to Burdur is about 140 kilometers, I think it is, or 140 kilometers, 1.5 hours or so, and I'm there. That's where I'll be taking my first break. So yeah, that's stage 1. I hope I don't see many more red lights, as I just want to hit the roads and don't really stop too much. So the first pit stop is getting some food. Need to get some food for the road, and look at that. Okay, so we got all our food, we got our water, we got our money. Now we can hit the road, Jack, and don't you turn back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack, don't you turn back no more. on the roads again. Back on the road again. It's going to be a cracking day today weather-wise. It's 34, 35 degrees and very humid in Antalya. And Ankara hopefully will be warm but won't be very humid and sticky. So that's something to look forward to, I guess. This is the climb out of Antalya, sort of the first little climb. Park Fantastic, which is a little fun park on to my right. Let's get around this car.
You're the night sky trying to make me see.
And there's Antalya, the view of Antalya up the top here. See you in a few days, buddy. There's my sign, Burdur, Ankara. So Burdur will be my first stop. Ankara will be my end stop. 500 kilometers away. Here we come, baby.
See your stars, but the dark gets lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence.
So this is your captain speaking, Captain Fuzzbuzz. Or Captain Fuzz, and you're buzzing with the fuzz. This little trip, we're going to be flying at a speed of about 100 kilometers an hour on average. It is currently about 25, 26 degrees Celsius outside, and we've got about an hour and a half of traveling to our next pit stop. So hang on, please fasten your seatbelts. Do not use the restrooms for the next little while, and let's enjoy the ride.
In the dark's all that I see when your stars have burnt out and you're.
So guys, this is the outskirts of Antalya. These are the first set of mountains that we will be tackling. It's a great scenic drive, this little stretch. So hope you enjoy the ride. We'll be going through a few mountains, up maybe one or two, and on our way to our pit stop, which is Burdur. Sit back, enjoy. Hope you're enjoying the in-house entertainment, which is Fuzzbuzz, and you, my friend, are getting buzzed with the fuzz.
Heart makes no sound. I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. hiding behind dark gray clouds. I can't figure you out now. I see all blue there. There's so much cold in you, and the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay dancing with my shadow all day.
Look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. Lovely scenery. We're just outside Antalya, in between Antalya and Burdur. And look at that. Sunrise. There's little villages. Fuzzbuzz. You've done it again, mate. Bringing this lovely part of Turkey to the world. Now that's a scenery that you won't see on postcards. Maybe on Fuzzbuzz postcards, but nowhere else. Check that out. That is absolutely gorgeous. Nice little village. Mountains. Beautiful. Anyway, let's keep going. We've got a little bit of riding to do still, so hope you're enjoying the ride. Stay tuned and stay till the end. If you like, please give me a thumbs up, or if you don't like, you can give me a thumbs down, no problem. Leave a comment. I will try to answer all comments as quickly as I can. This is your captain speaking, and please don't forget to subscribe if you already haven't, and get on board this Fuzzbuzz Express. And we're going express, baby, all the way to Ankara, 500 kilometers.